Hello, good afternoon. I am Indah Wardiningsih from Universitas Muhammadiyah Jember. In posthumanism and technology mediated communication, or TMC, in English language teaching, before we proceed, I need to define some key terms in the main variable. They are posthumanism, and the second one is technology mediated communication. We will start with the first one, which is posthumanism. Posthumanism is a way of thinking that goes beyond the human centered approach. So, in teaching, it means that not just teachers and students are important, but also digital tools like artificial intelligence or AI, and also other kind of technology. These non-human elements have an active role in learning. While for the TMC, it refers to the use of digital tools and technology for communication. In the context of learning English, it includes things like language learn applications and also virtual elements that allow students to improve and practice their speaking skills. Let's continue with the background. So, as we all know, that digitalization has transformed many industries, including education, and in this case, ELT is required to evolve and adapt to these changes. In areas like East Java, teachers face both opportunities and challenges as they incorporate new technology into teaching. In this case, posthumanism offers a useful approach as it emphasizes the importance of technology and non-human tools in learning rather than just relying on human teachers. This study highlights how blending posthumanism with technology-driven communication can create interactive and engaging learning environments that align with students' everyday digital experiences. From the background, I come up with two research questions. The first one is, how does technologically mediated communication impact speaking practice in ELT? And the second one, how can posthumanist perspective be effectively incorporated into speaking practice? For the method, I use single case study approach as the design, and the research subject here is the responsive speaking course in the English department of a university in East Java, Indonesia. And we also deal with 28 students and one teacher who involved in the course. For the instrument, I collected the data using three kinds of instrument: classroom observation, semi-structured interviews, and course material analysis. For the classroom observation, I observe how the teaching and learning process for the speaking course, and then I also interviewed the students and the teacher about their perspective on posthumanist. And then the last one, I analyzed the course material and the implication of TMC, which is incorporated in the classroom. For the data analysis, I used the thematic analysis and pattern identification in four phases. For the first one is initial coding, and then we have the thematic analysis. The next one is synthesis of themes and identification of gaps. And the last one is recommendation and enhancement. So here is the finding. For the first research questions, technology's impact on speaking practice, results show that digital tools like video conferencing and language apps significantly improve student engagement and motivation. They also facilitate exposure to various English accents and context. For the second research questions, posthumanist elements in the classroom, activities that involve artificial intelligence or virtual simulation, foster critical thinking empathy, and adaptability to technology. These tools also help students interact beyond traditional human-centered methods. For the conclusions, I have two conclusions here. The first one is for how does technologically mediated communication impact speaking practice in ELT? It significantly enhances student engagement and speaking proficiency. This tool offers flexible, interactive learning environments that support self-paced learning and also real-time feedback from the teacher, which are crucial for developing fluency and also confidence in speaking. For research question 2, how can post-humanist perspectives be effectively incorporated into speaking practice? The posthumanist perspective can be effectively incorporated into speaking practice through activities that engage students with non-human perspective, artificial intelligence, and also ethical debates. So I guess that's it. Thank you so much for your attention.